Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be repairing the red OPM Spec Miata that was hit in the Slingshot Engage video. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can tell, this one's hit pretty hard in the rear and in the front. So we're going to get this car off the trailer, get it in the building, get it up on the frame machine. We got it up on the frame machine, so now let's clamp it down.
You can see here we're having to straighten out the pinch welds so the clamps have something to clamp to.
We're going to start in the front of this thing by taking off all the damaged parts. Now we can measure it to see how far we need to pull it and start pulling.
You can see here where the flashlight is shining. That's a buckle in the frame rail, or a kink. And it's not a very common place to get a kink or a buckle. So we've got a lot of pressure on this frame rail trying to get this buckle out. And that's basically what it's going to take. We've got a lot of pressure pulling on the end, and we're going to give it some love taps with a big hammer. Here's a little trick we like to use when we're trying to dolly out aprons. If you'll put a clamp on the apron, put a little tension on it with the frame machine, it makes it a lot easier to dolly out imperfections.
Now we got to get this new/used door taken apart so we can get it cut out for the cage, and then we can get it test fit on the car. We have to roll the inside lip of the fenders to give tire clearance for a little bit wider tire so it doesn't cut the tire, and I like to do it when it's off the car.
As I have grown older, I have realized pleasing everyone is impossible, but pissing everyone off is a piece of cake.
That's going to be about it for this episode. We got the front end all finished up. The next episode we'll be working on the back of the car. Thanks for hanging out with me, and if you have any thoughts or questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and maybe even ring that bell notification. That way you'll know when the next video is coming out. And as always, we'll see you on the next episode. See ya! Front end all buttoned up, and then that's going to be about it. Porky the pig. That's going to be about it.